In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your leverage when trading on Binance futures, all from the convenience of the Binance mobile app. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to change your leverage effectively is crucial for managing your risk and maximizing potential profits. We'll walk through each step so you can confidently adjust your leverage settings and make the most of your trading strategy. First, let's start by opening up the Binance app on your mobile device. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the Futures section. If you're new to the app, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the layout to find this section easily. Futures trading, as you might already know, allows you to buy or sell a specific quantity of assets at a predetermined price at a future date, and leverage is a key part of this process as it can amplify both potential gains and losses. Now that we're in the Futures section, you'll see a list of various trading pairs. The next step is to tap on the trading pair that you're interested in. For instance, let's say you're looking to trade BTC USDT. Simply tap on that pair and you'll be taken to a screen that provides more details about the trade. On this screen, the leverage number will be displayed right beside the name of your chosen pair. Tap on this leverage number. This is where we make the adjustments. The app is designed to be intuitive, so you should find it straightforward to proceed. Once you've tapped on the leverage number, a slider or an input box will appear, giving you the flexibility to set the leverage to your preferred amount. You can either drag the slider to adjust your leverage or directly enter the leverage you desire. It's important to consider your risk tolerance and trading strategy when deciding on this figure, as higher leverage can lead to amplified risks. After you've set your desired leverage, the final step is to save these changes. Simply tap the confirm button. This action ensures that your settings are saved and you're ready to go. Always double check your settings to make sure they're correct before moving on. It's wise to periodically reassess your leverage settings, especially as your trading strategy evolves or if market conditions change significantly. Adjusting leverage on Binance Mobile is a simple process that, when done properly, can be a powerful tool in your trading arsenal. Remember, the key to successful trading lies in understanding both the risks and rewards, and being able to adjust your leverage with confidence is a big part of that. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more tutorials to continue honing your trading skills.